Hi, magandang gabi mga friends ko. Mga friends, this is your Inday Tigresa. And look, andito na ang aking ulam, burot na inihaw. Malaki, isda. With kamatis. And then, patola. So, begin. Let's have ketchup Del Monte. Sausawa ng kasarap-sarapang burot. Okay? Very good. Next, you have to dissect the burot. Look at that. So big burot. Burot of fishery. Yan. Look at that. So big. So, I have to see to it that there's no tinik. Like that, oh. Then, sausaw sa ketchup. Tikman. Nam-nam, sarap. Magkakamay ulit ako sa sarap. Nahulog. Look at that. Oh, sausaw. Dahan-dahan para hindi ka matinik. Ang tao kailangan maging very careful. Yan. Very careful. Yan. Patola. So, I have to be very careful dahil matinik na malaki ang tinik ng burot. So, sausaw din tayo sa kamares. And then, patola. Ang sarap. Wow! Look at that! Wow! There's a big caviar. Not from sturgeon, but from burot. Caviar. Say caviar. Patola. Again, very big caviar. Tastes good. Big caviar. Sarap. Big caviar. The eggs of the burot. Look at that. Tasty. Look at that. Very big burot. Bureau of Fishery. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. This one, I love the Bureau. Bureau, Bureau. Bureau. Look at that. Very big Bureau. Grilled. Anyhow. Grilled. By my only husband. Look at that. Okay. Sarap yan. Ay! Lampas na pala ang aking video. Ay! Bye! Love you all. Thank you.